Hey guys, how's it going? I'm here to help you get started. There's 4 things you need to get started. You need your tether cable, you need your charged Wi-Fi repeater, and your charged drone. You also need a mobile device or a tablet. So, let's do this. First step, you want to unscrew this port. Okay? This comes off counterclockwise. You want to grab your tether. You want to hook your tether with the side, with the loop, into the drone. There's a little notch in the cable, and you want to find and align those, and you want to twist the metal piece clockwise. Not the plastic piece, just the metal piece. And it should go on real easy. Once you get it snug, you're ready to move on to the next step. Okay. Nice, that's snug. You want to grab the other section of your tether and you want to do that same process with the Wi-Fi repeater. You find that notch in the groove and rotate the metal ring clockwise. Once it's snug, you'll notice that inside there'll be a little red light on there and you'll know that you have power. So here's the fun part. Okay, let's grab your mobile device. And let's head to your settings first. Go to your Wi-Fi settings and you're looking for something called High Link. You want to click that. You want to enter the password as 12345678. Once you're linked in there, you'll want to go to your You Can Dive application, which can be downloaded on any app store. So You Can, one word, space dive. That's your application. So once you have that downloaded, you go ahead and open it up. It's going to search for device. Oh, it flashes its lights and makes a noise when it's ready. And you get a please slide to unlock screen. You're going to slide that across and hello, there we are in the studio. So some cool things to think about here. Let's go through this app a little bit. First off, we have the light power. You can slide this up or down and it changes the light. You can see it reflecting or not. Okay, there we go. You also have auto mode, which adjusts it according to its exposure, what it thinks it should be exposed to. So that's fine as well. Now, the way this works is that the app has a controller built in. There are 2 joysticks. The right side, up is forward in the water, down is backwards, left is rotate counterclockwise, right is rotate clockwise. On the left hand side, you have up. This will bring it up in the water, closer to the surface, or down. This takes it down to deep depths. So we have also this button right here called a fixed depth. The fixed depth button helps keep the drone, say you want to stay 10 feet down. Once you're 10 feet down, you hit fixed depth and it hovers there. We also have the record button. It's pretty obvious. That's starting the recording, which we'll see in a second. And we have the take a photo button, which is great. We have, here's where you can go find your images. So here we go. And if you hold down, you can see preview, delete, or download. All right, let's head to the beach and try this out. So we're gonna double tap and hold to turn on. Once that's done, you're gonna come to the settings mode and you're gonna change your controller settings from app to stick. Once you do that, it's going to say connected. You're going to hit OK. And here we go. When you press up on the right side of the controller, the drone moves forward. When you press down on the right side of the controller, the drone moves backwards in the water. When you press left, it rotates counterclockwise. And when you press right, it rotates clockwise. On the left side of the controller, when you press up, the drone moves to the surface of the water. And when you press down, the drone moves downwards in the water. We also have take a picture, we have record video, and we have turn on and off fixed depth. Alright guys, well I hope this tutorial helped and I hope you have a blast driving your BW Space.